Vlog, 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 vlog.
Oh, hang on.
Oh, right, here we go.
How are you going to do this without the counter?
Alright, hang on, because I've got to stop laughing.
Right, so you've got to find something to wrap it up with in it as well.
Okay.
So you've got to get
Hang on,
in.
because I've got to stop laughing.
You've got to. It's not that
So
funny.
you got a little, you got a little brown paper bag or something.
You've got to have another cake as well.
I know.
You've got to have a selection of cakes.
What are you saying, Joe? It's not that funny. Yeah, explain all this.
Right, what other cakes can I have?
Just have the other ones there.
Have a ginger biscuit. There's one somewhere.
On the edge.
How are you going to do that?
Yeah, that's fine. They're going to go splat on the floor.
Yeah.
But there we are.
Right.
It can't be birthday cake.
So can you see the cakes at the front, Joe?
Is this like a calendar girl
I
thing?
can see the cakes in the front. Yeah, we're going to get considerably bigger buns.
So you don't need to see the cake at the back yet.
Okay, no, that's fine because you won't see
The
it.
first time.
But you'll need to have to get
I
in.
think I've heard it 50
Well,
times.
Next
I need
to-
to go at the front. I'm a
no.
customer, so
Be stage manager. Right, go. Manager.
who's got the clipboard?
Me.
You don't need a fashion.
Action.
Take one.
Hello.
Oh, hello, sir. Can I help you?
Yes, how much are your cakes?
€2. All cakes, €2.
Oh, could I have that one up there?
This one?
Yes.
Yeah, no problem. Would you like me to wrap it for you, sir?
Oh, that would be very nice.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
There you go, sir.
That's
That's
lovely. Thank you.
€4, please.
€4? I thought cakes were €2.
Oh, but that's my Madeira cake. I try so hard to keep it in.
I'm laughing at them. That's not
Sadly, you got the punchline wrong.
Madeira cake. Oh, did you?
It should be
Madeira cake.
Madeira cake, not my Madeira cake.
It was still funny. It was still funny.
It was still funny. You were going to crack them up.
Yeah, I think that was still very funny.
That's fine.
Are we going to take two?
That's
or is that-
Madeira
Oh,
cake. You got to
fine.
try it once more.
Okay, try
So
once
instead
more.
of saying my Madeira cake, it's just Madeira cake. That's Madeira cake.
Okay, I'm just going to swap it and put that in there.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Take
Right.
Take two.
Sorry to spoil it.
Anybody who finds this funny.
Hang on, let me stop laughing.
The second time.
Okay.
Are we all going to do canned laugh after?
Yeah.
Sorry, that was a bit
Not
scary.
panic laughter. No, it is Halloween.
Actually, not tablet laughter.
Sorry, I
Okay.
had a whole carrot for falling.
Okay,
Anyway.
ready?
Hello.
Oh, hello, sir. Can I help you?
Yes. How much are the cakes?
All cakes for... No.
This
may
will be
take
the
a while.
best thing.
Take 63.
The outtake. This would be a great outtake.
I survived.
Take three.
87.
Okay. Go, go.
Oh, hello.
Oh no! Right, think of something sad.
Steve, I wouldn't even bother, mate. I wouldn't even bother.
Is that
She'll
it
never
for the
get
night
it
now?
out.
She's
No,
lost
no,
it.
come on, right, hang on, stop it. Sorry. Okay. Right, go.
Hello.
Still right, go.
I think when you're doing cakes.
Oh, I'm fine.
Right.
Yep.
La la la.
Hello. How much are your cakes? Sorry, mate.
Oh god.
Oh, hello, sir.
Hello. How much are your cakes?
All cakes €2.
Oh, could I have that one up there?
Oh, yes, that one. Very nice one. Good choice, sir. Would you like me to wrap it for you?
That would be lovely. Thank you very much.
There you go, sir. Okay, stop. Come back.
rubbish.
How much is
I
that?
can split it. I can split it. I can split it. Right, ready to go. I can edit it.
No,
There you go, sir.
No, you're supposed to go. There you are, sir. That'll be €4. Please,
Okay, sorry.
Cake to the top.
Oh.
There you go, sir. That'll be €4, please.
€4? I thought all cakes were €2.
Ah.
You can't remember what the cake was called.
That's Madeira.
Oh.
Stop. Right. Do it again.
So when I say practice,
Yeah.
Right, hang on. Ready, Steve. Ready. Right.
Should we do a script?
hilariously funny.
Madeira
No.
cake.
Just
Madeira.
no.
That's Madeira cake. That's Madeira cake.
That'll be €4.
Hang on. Stop. Right. There you go, sir. That'll be €4, please.
€4? I thought all cakes were €2.
Oh, but that's Madeira cake.
Quick cut!